Hi. So I received a package in the mail and I had this in it. So a little bit sketchy on how I received the card. So I paid $4 and it was free shipping for a lot of 100 cards. So let's see how well I did. I don't think it's any hollows or anything in this, but let's just see. These are just old school cards. So see if I can do it this way. Here's all of the cards. Pretty interesting. So, let me just take a quick look through to see if I see anything catches my eyes. These cards look new. It doesn't look like people have been playing with them. Oh, they actually have it in kind of order, which is interesting. Nope, it's not order. Yeah, these are just all common, so I don't know. This is part one. Stay tuned for part two. I'll go through and try to figure out how much each of these cards are worth, so if on average I do better than 4 cents per card, I'm in good shape. But we'll see. That's all I got. Bye.